bisitahan sa TNTB 6 ang Tandog Pilot Elementary School para po mahinabi ang principal na si Ma'am Maria Rosana Miñano para sa ilang pangandam sa maong siram. Kaya ang ilang eskwelahan gamiton para sa billeting quarters para sa Dinagat Islands Division. Morning atong interview kang Ma'am Miñano.
For about the billeting quarters or the preparation for our siram, we are almost 100%. So I could say 100% because we are so very ready already to receive our bisita nato nga gikan sa Dinagat Island. So Tandag Pilot will be billeted by the Dinagat Island. So almost ready na gayud kami. So for almost mga daghan na bulan na to, so ready na gayud kami. Since our foot down na kami ready. So as of now, about the classrooms, preparation, the beddings, the facilities, and everything is already ready. Dinagat Island, we will be expecting about 520 delegates, including already the coaches, the VIPs of their delegations, and the officiating officials. So almost 520 as of the data given to me by the division. And also the advance party also told me that there are almost 520. It is the Carrascal district headed by the Ma'am Adeline Suhian. So Dr. Adeline Suhian is my co-host. So it is only, they provided me only 250. So it is expected that only the coaches or the officiating officials will be given. But if there are extra beddings, we can provide it to the athletes. Because in the memorandum that I have received, Carrascal and Bayabas, but the Bayabas did not coordinate with me. So then there is daw new memorandum. Ma'am Suhian told me that sila na lang daw ang Carrascal district. So I don't know what happened. So it is only Carrascal, so it is only 520. So I was thinking that they could provide me for almost 500 like before Siram.
Okay.
Last year Siram, it was 500. So it was 1:1 ang Butuan City. There was a time na ang Butuan City last Siram, Butuan City ay mo bisita dinhi. Karon murag ning ubos man og 250 lang. So we cannot also make it na mapugos na ang Carrascal district because 250 ra gayud ang ma-provide nila sa amo for the beds, for the beddings. So paiguon na lang na siya that is only for the coaches and mga VIPs nila and officiating officials. So the extra will be given to the rest assured that it will be given to the athletes. Naanak gayud sila ang tanod o ang police. And then they have also rooms for them na provided ang ato PNP ug ato mga tanod na agad sila rooms diha nga ila katulugan pod. So yes, makapahulay sila. So I provided 2 rooms. The gate of Tandag Central and the gate of Tandag Pilot. Ako na ang naghatag og room sa ilaha for the police and for the barangay tanod.
About sa food provision by division ba naman?
It was in the meeting with the governor and series of meeting. The school will not provide that, but the delegation. Yes. Ilahan na siya.
Ila na provision.
Oo, ila na provision. So we will be tapping the delegation of Dinagat nga papilon na lang pud nila ang mga pulis ug atong mga barangay tanods for the snacks and the kaon meals nila. Of course, secured good sila ana niya. Kana na lang pagkaon nganong dili na nila mahatag sa ilaha. So we will lobby that also to the yes, we're already my faculty, my staff, and also the city of Tandag. We are so very ready to receive our visitors the delegation, of course, the delegation of Dinagat Island, we are so very ready and they are very welcome in our school, whatever mga circumstances, of course, we will also ask forgiveness for them.
Okay.
So, welcome Dinagat Island!
Gikan diri sa Tandag Pilot Elementary School uban si Abi na di umatras, latras. Kini si Alvin Anyurebo para sa TNTV6 Balita.